If you have a scratch or paint scuff, stay with us, we'll explain how we can easily fix that in just a few seconds and make it look like brand new again. Check this thing out, this is the after results, completely gone. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys a car that has a paint scratch, paint scuff on the bumper, on a fender, door, anything like that. Stay with us, we will explain how we can easily guys remove that paint scuff, how we can fix your paint, how we can make it look like new again. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience guys. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything, transmissions, engines, bodywork. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts too, at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money guys. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So let's continue now. So what we guys have here, we have that BMW guys 5 Series that accidentally guys somebody swiped near the parking lot and it just my mood just went down that day because you can see how bad it looks, right? Okay, it looks terrible, you can see, but the first thing to do is get your finger and see if it's deep, see if the paint has been peeled off. If the paint hasn't been peeled off and you don't have a deep scratch guys, often you can fix that without even touch up paint or anything like that. If you're missing paint, we have a special video that explains how to fix paint scratch. Okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's an amazing video that has over, I believe, 3 million views that will teach you guys how to do that. What we'll be using? Clean cut rubbing compound, okay, by Turtle Wax. They also have a scratch removal compound which is almost the same guys, okay, but you can use both. I'll put links to both of them and you can see it clean cutting medium to heavy stains, oxidation and scratches after and before. It's amazing guys compound. Shake it really good if you haven't used it for a while. We're going to get the little bitty drill bit here with a polishing pad. These ones, okay, you can buy a whole set of them, a whole bag with different attachments for an affordable price, unbelievably cheap price. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. So make sure it's clean, you don't have dust to actually scratch it even more. Make sure you don't have mud, anything like that. Wash it, get a little bit of compound, put it on the pad, spread it a little bit guys, okay, and then you just start buffing. Okay, what is this thing now? And you just keep going guys, keep going, and eventually you will see that thing will almost go away completely. We'll need to put the compound a few times, not just one time probably for deeper scratches. Okay, let me apply a little bit more. So far you can see it's getting much better. Now, I can even see some yellowing coming off the paint because we haven't waxed that car for about a year, okay? So, let me go apply that one. Don't stay too long in one spot with a high-speed drill because what can happen, you can get the clear coat and the paint really warm, hot, and that can guys even damage your paint. So we gotta make sure that it doesn't get warm. This one is a low-speed drill, so we don't have that problem here now. Okay, we're almost getting there guys, you will see. You can even do it by hand without a thing, okay, but you just need to require a little bit more scrubbing. But we're getting there. Okay, you will see I will come a little bit to the front. There was a few minor scratches that I want to touch up. Okay, perfect. Now guys, okay, we're going to continue with the next step. Okay, we need to get a different compound. We need to wipe that. You can see the scratch is virtually gone. I have one little bitty spot that's missing paint here that we need to touch up. So we're going to use Glossworks by Chemical guys. This thing is amazing guys. So what we're going to do, okay, we're going to apply a thin layer, okay, on the area that we worked to bring it to glossy, shiny surface again. And what I'm going to do, I'll just switch guys Okay, I'm going to switch the pad to a new one, buffing one, and we'll go ahead and clean that one now. Check this thing out now. We come up to here. Squeaky clean, you can hear it. Okay, now I'm going to get a towel, just wipe it quick, and you can see, guys, practically gone. Okay, check this thing out, nothing left there. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.